What is the Forever Young BBL treatment? Welcome to Dr. Scheiner's Medical Minute. Today we're going to talk about broad-based light treatments and ways that can help your skin stay younger for years. There are so many claims out there by laser companies about how their treatments can help people turn back time in terms of skin aging. How are doctors and patients supposed to navigate these various claims? The trouble is that most of these claims are hard to substantiate with real science. In addition, while some technologies can cause an improvement in the appearance of the skin, it's unclear whether anything deeper than just the simulation of younger skin is taking place. It's like when a person puts on makeup to cover up skin imperfections. The skin is not necessarily being rejuvenated, it just looks rejuvenated. All the makeup is doing is camouflaging irregularities while the underlying skin imperfections remain unchanged. The same question can be asked of the many laser light and energy treatments in the marketplace today. Are they actually improving the skin or just creating the appearance of improved skin? Some treatments give minimal to subtle results, while others can cause quite noticeable changes in a person's skin. But is this similar to makeup? Are the changes simply superficial without any long-term results? Or is there something deeper going on which can give both short-term improvement and long-term results at the same time? Recent research performed at the Stanford University School of Medicine shed some light on this subject. This research has shown that one specific treatment device called BBL, or broad-based light, can cause both short-term and long-term improvement. In addition, the research shows that the device causes changes in the DNA of the skin cells that makes them behave like younger cells. How does BBL work? Deoxyribonucleic acid, or DNA, is a collection of molecules in our cells which lie in the center of a structure called the nucleus. Our DNA is a record of instructions telling each cell what kind of cell it's going to be and how it should function. With age, our DNA becomes damaged by the environment and the general aging process. This aged DNA makes the cell perform less effectively and act as an older cell. When it comes to skin cells, the top layer of our skin, known as the epidermis, is generated by the deepest cell layer, known as the basal cell. If this basal cell is healthy, all the cells above it are healthy. If this basal cell is unhealthy, all the cells above it are unhealthy. Interestingly, sun exposure will affect the DNA of this basal cell and make it unhealthy, which often happens with age. Some deeper rejuvenation procedures are performed, such as my Reset laser Festoon treatment and Reset laser skin resurfacing treatment, are able to fix this DNA damage, but these procedures do have some downtime associated with them. What makes the Stanford study truly groundbreaking is that it showed that BBL treatments have little to no downtime and were able to simulate and stimulate skin cells back to a younger state by rejuvenating the actual genes and genetic code in the cells themselves. The study compared the skin of young people who never had BBL treatments, older people with sun-damaged skin, and older people with sun-damaged skin who had undergone 3 BBL treatments over the course of 3 months. Small skin biopsies were obtained from all 3 groups and were then analyzed for the genetic components. Researchers looked at the youthful skin at the genetic level for markers which indicated younger skin cells. They then examined the aged skin treated with BBL and noticed that these cells, as compared to those who were treated that did not have BBL, had some of their markers revert back to the state of the younger skin cells. Cosmetic surgeons knew that BBL treatments caused improvement in the appearance of fine lines, brown spots, red spots, and vessels in the skin, but what we didn't know was that beyond the surface improvement that was achieved, deeper healing at the genetic level was occurring as well. And this means the tissue was truly being rejuvenated. So with this treatment, not only are we getting quick results, we are likely also getting long-term rejuvenation as well, all with a treatment that has 0 downtime. The average treatment time is 12 to 15 minutes for the full face, and it's effective on all body areas: face, neck, chest, arms, and hands. Breakthroughs like this BBL study are always exciting for me as a doctor because I am always striving for new ways to help my patients achieve long-lasting improvement to their appearance, not just the appearance of an improvement. This is an actual deep-seated change that literally reverses years of damage. To know that BBL involves little to no downtime is just icing on the cake. It's wonderful to be able to help people look and feel better about themselves through a range of services, including this new technology. Now we can tell our patients that the treatments that they're having to improve their immediate appearance will also have a beneficial effect on their skin aging for years to come. It's a win-win for everyone. I hope you found this interesting, and I invite you to come back and watch again for our next Medical Minute. Goodbye for now, and I wish each of you a beautiful day.